Good day, gents. Twin Force Fusion, and today I'm gonna try to show you the DI Extreme fuel pump installed in a 2017 Ford Ecoboost Fusion Sport, and obviously I have the EcoPower pipes. So for some of you, this may be new. You may have seen it on a stock intake. Let me try to move some hoses here. As you can see, the fuel line right there on the top here, and the DI Extreme pump, as you can see, a bit extreme. Try to move a bit there. I'm sorry, it's not very easy because it's buried a bit. So my initial reaction, it's wow. For the basically 100 meters, 300 feet for my South American friends. Didn't take long to realize it makes a difference. I definitely feel a difference in the mid-range and top end, and this is despite I'm still with a Canton Livernois Motorsport. But I have something that arrived yesterday. I still have to unbox later, and I'll do that. I'll show you. I have something that may hopefully give me more power than what I have right now. But I'm very happy for what I did with the stock pump on pump gas and no water met. So I think I'm the fastest and quickest with this setup. Obviously, those who are running, well, you have the fastest Fusion. He's faster than me. He has the DI Extreme pump, but before he was struggling with the OEM. So I'm very proud of my flat 12 O's with the LMS and multiple 12 1s. Obviously on ideal conditions on pump gas with boosting. And I think by memory, because this is with the obviously the MKZ turbos, but on the OEM's turbos, I think I was the quickest, maybe not the fastest, but the quickest back then. Okay, some will not count because I was using race gas, but I did manage some good runs with the stock turbos in the 12.6, and obviously better with the race gas, but I try not to count with the GT100. But yeah, so my plan is I'm gonna remove the tune later and get the strategy code for the new tune that arrive, and we'll see from there. And hopefully tomorrow, it's gonna be hot, like 33 degrees Celsius, but I'm gonna go at it, do a few runs with the LMS, and if Tori comes back with me with a program, I'll install it also and do some data log. I'm sure he wants to do a few revisions. But then again, DI Extreme reached out to me on my last video that I posted about the pump, saying they don't share the calibration with LMS, and it might not work as better with tuning by James or Unleash. But so far I have no complaint. The LMS seems to be adapt to it. So we'll see how it goes. Maybe what I'll do is I'll use LMS stage 2 on the street and the full sauce with Unleash at the track and so on. Maybe do a dyno shooting day, maybe with the 3 tuners out there. We'll see what comes to it. But this video was just to show you the pump. It's hard to see. It's sad because it's such a beautiful piece of art and it's buried down there, but it is what it is. At the end of the day, I just wanted to do what it's supposed to do and be quick. So I'll come back with another video with the unbox, and hey, let's hope we'll have some good news this weekend. Take care, bye.